In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a folder in Yahoo Mail. We'll walk through the entire process from signing in to removing a folder you no longer need, with a few tips to keep everything organized and safe. These steps are shown on a computer using a web browser. The mobile app looks a little different, but the idea is the same. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Yahoo sign-in page. If you see your account listed, click it to continue. If not, enter your Yahoo email address and proceed. On the next screen, type your password to sign in securely. If you're asked for verification, just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the login. Once you're signed in to Yahoo's homepage, look to the upper right corner and click Mail. That opens your inbox in Yahoo Mail. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see your folder list. Scroll through that list and find the folder you want to remove. Click the folder name first to make sure it's selected so you're working with the right one. A quick note here. Built-in system folders like Inbox, Sent, Drafts, Spam, and Trash can't be deleted. You can only remove custom folders you created. Before deleting, think about whether you need anything inside that folder. If there are messages you'd like to keep, move them to another folder now. This makes the next step worry-free. With the folder selected, hover over its name and look for a small drop-down or three-dot icon next to it. Click that icon to open the Folder Options menu. In the menu that appears, choose Delete Folder. If Yahoo asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm. The folder will be removed from your list. What happens to the emails? Typically, the messages inside the deleted folder are moved to trash. If you change your mind, you can open trash and restore messages to another folder, as long as they haven't been permanently deleted yet. If you don't see the folder you meant to delete, double check that you were looking at a custom folder, not a default one, and that you clicked the correct drop-down. That's all there is to it. Sign in, go to Mail, select the folder, open its drop-down, and choose Delete Folder. Keeping your folder list lean makes it easier to stay organized and find what you need quickly. If you manage multiple folders, it's a good habit to review them every so often and archive or move important messages before removing anything. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your Yahoo Mail in just a few clicks.